To become nonchalant in real life, it's all about developing mental resilience and learning to control your reactions to the things that happen around you. You can't just flip a switch and stop caring about everything, but with practice, you can train yourself to become indifferent to the stuff that really doesn't matter. Here's some no-nonsense advice that works. 1. Stop overthinking. What others think of you. This is where most people trip up. They worry about being judged, rejected, or disliked. In reality, most people are too busy thinking about their own lives to care about yours. Stop wasting your energy on this. You need to realize that trying to impress or please everyone is pointless. The more you detach from needing validation from others, the easier it will be to stay calm and nonchalant in any situation. The key is not pretending you don't care. It's genuinely not caring. Your worth isn't up for negotiation, and the sooner you internalize this, the more confident and indifferent you'll become. 2. Develop emotional control through repetition. Nonchalance is the ability to stay composed, especially when things go sideways. Start small. When something irritating or stressful happens, pause and breathe instead of reacting. Practice holding back your emotional response. This isn't about bottling up your emotions. It's about controlling when and how you express them. When someone disrespects you, don't give them the satisfaction of a reaction. Train yourself to respond calmly, and you'll notice how much more power you have over situations. 3. Limit your circle and choose who gets your energy. You don't need to give everyone access to your thoughts, your time, or your emotions. Not everyone deserves your attention, and not every situation deserves your reaction. Start cutting out the people who bring unnecessary drama or drain your energy. You're not obligated to engage with every argument, every negative person, or every trivial issue. By being selective about where you invest your time and energy, you naturally become more detached from nonsense. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get regular reminders about becoming more stoic day by day. 4. Get comfortable with rejection and failure. Most people fear rejection or failure because they tie it to their self-worth. The nonchalant man doesn't. He understands that rejection and failure are part of life, not reflections of who he is. You're going to face setbacks, rejection in relationships, failure at work, or disappointment in your goals. The trick is not letting it define you. Instead of being rattled by these moments, look at them as part of the process and move on. Nothing destroys your indifference like worrying about things that are out of your control. Focus on what you can control, your efforts, your attitude, and let go of the rest. 5. Stop seeking instant gratification. People who chase quick pleasures or validation are the ones who get rattled the easiest. You need to think long-term. Nonchalant people don't get fazed by temporary setbacks because they've got their eye on the bigger picture. When you're working towards long-term goals, the little things stop bothering you. If you're always seeking that quick hit of satisfaction, you'll be emotionally volatile. Discipline yourself to think ahead, plan for the future, and be indifferent to the distractions that pop up along the way. In conclusion, nonchalance is a product of mental discipline, not faking like you don't care. It's about controlling your responses, being selective about what you engage with, and focusing on long-term goals rather than temporary setbacks.